the Ford Mustang has reached a notable milestone, celebrating 60 years since its debut. To mark this occasion, Ford is organizing a special event in Charlotte, North Carolina. Additionally, they are introducing a new version called the 60th Anniversary Package. This package, focused primarily on aesthetic enhancements, notably includes a striking set of 20-inch wheels. These wheels feature a 5-spoke design reminiscent of the 1965 Mustang, offering a nod to the past amid today's more intricate wheel styles. The package isn't limited to just wheels, though. On closer inspection, you'll find distinctive 5.0 badges and subtle stripes along the lower sides of the car, echoing elements from the 1965 model. The rear proudly displays a GT badge, while the front end sports a unique grille with a vintage-inspired mesh design, complemented by silver accents around the grille's edges. The headlights, borrowed from the Mustang Nite Pony package, add a contrasting dark touch against the shiny caps of the side mirrors, which, while not true chrome, mimic the classic shiny appearance. However, if the car is white, the mirrors match the body color instead. The 60th Anniversary Package is available in 3 colors: white, race red, and vapor blue. Side stripes can be selected in either red or silver. Inside, the color choices extend to gray, red, or black for the interior, with a special serialized badge on the instrument panel denoting the anniversary. Mechanically, the car remains identical to the standard Mustang GT. It houses a 5.0-liter V8 engine that delivers 480 horsepower, which powers the rear wheels. This engine pairs with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. However, the anniversary trim is exclusive to the GT Premium model and is available in both convertible and coupe configurations. Ford plans to produce only 1,965 units of the Mustang with the 60th Anniversary Package, a number that pays homage to the year the first Mustang was introduced. Pricing details will be released later, as the vehicle is expected to arrive in dealerships as a 2025 model.